Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be installing a Cusco rear sway bar on the JZX110 Mark II. The car currently runs Cusco coilovers and hard race adjustable arms. Today we'll be replacing the factory 14mm sway bar with a Cusco 16mm sway bar, which is meant to be 125% stiffer than stock. Start by untightening the end links. Once the end links are undone, it's on to the D-bushes. Once that's complete, it's time to move on to the other side. Here's a comparison of the stock sway bar and the Cusco sway bar. The Cusco sway bar uses the stock bushes, which I've added grease to lubricate. There's not a lot of difference, there's 2mm difference, but it's meant to be 125% stiffer than factory. Once you've got the bar in place, you finger tight all the bolts until the bar can support itself, and then tighten all the bolts to suit, firstly with the D-bushes. Once complete, a final check with a power bar to ensure the bolts are tight. The Cusco sway bar install took around 30 minutes, so a nice easy install, and should help with the car's cornering. I'm aiming to get the car to corner a bit flatter. It is a big heavy car. It has a lot of power, so some flatter cornering will help this car a lot. The best part of fitting any new parts is the test drive. Definitely a noticeable difference compared to the stock sway bar. I have to admit, I'm actually pretty impressed with the Cusco sway bar. It's only 2mm thicker than the stock sway bar, but it actually performed really well and the car handled really flat around the corners. I look forward to trying it out on the track. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more mods on the JZX110. We have a track day coming up, Toyota Fest, at the end of the month, so I have a few maintenance things and a few new parts to add, so stay tuned.